Welcome this channel. Today's lesson is UIPasteboard. So trigger your mind and let's start. So today's we are learn UIPasteboard. So UIPasteboard is mainly purpose is copying data and save one place to another place in our app and our app to copying data and paste another app. So let's start how to use UIPasteboard in our app. So let's start. First of all, create button copy and type as a UI button. So UI copy button use to click any text and in other type of data. Copying the button UI button inside frame with 100 and height 15. Return button and button dot center is the main view center and button dot text is the copy and norm. It's in button many properties available, so we are using normal. Button set title color, sorry, UI color. It's system blue and normal type. Button dot background color black. With button dot layer dot corner radius is 25 to round both side corner. So we need written frame. So okay, that's all right. And adding in main view button copy. So let's run our app. First time some little bit take some more time. So this is our copy button and also add action button. So add target is a target itself and selector is objective method, objective C method, and our event action is a touch up inside. So every time touch up inside in button call is action method. So click copy touch up inside method type passing data is center of button and add this. So print over click action and run again. So every press to call this function copy. So mainly this video used UIPasteboard. So UIPasteboard to general to string and fill this to crazy code with handy. It is a click to copying text and second button copying text and name as paste. Frame is center to 100 below. And type name is pair button paste and create duplicate and also it is center dot y cg point x and dot y and create new method paste here set. Now we are empty. So first of all run to copy our text. This click event to copy, so I print copying, so copying, paste, print UIPasteboard general as a string. Return type any. So first click to copy our text and second button to print crazy code with ND. So this is our general, and not only string is many properties available to use copying the string array, URL, URLs, image array, colors, and many properties available to copy and paste from as per your place. Not need to here, but this paste one controller to another controller and another app as per your required. So thank you watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.